She put this in her hair and 3 days later removed her gray hairs. Now looks 10 years younger. Papaya is known for its exquisite taste, but it is also said to be a very positive product in many beauty and everyday tricks. After extensive research on the internet, I found a number of recommendations involving the use of papaya in the hair. And I have written down many tips and then share them with you. Have you ever put the papaya in your hair? I encourage you to share your comments with us, as well as other alternative uses that are useful for use with the papaya. When you try these tips and tricks, remember to consult your doctor before taking a new medication. 1. Combat dandruff. The use of a papaya to combat dandruff is a two-step process. 1. First, you need to mix the powdered papaya with your usual shampoo and apply it to your scalp in the normal way while you shower. Once the mixture has rested for a few minutes, rinse thoroughly. Then massage the mixture of papaya and warm water into the scalp and let it work for 10 minutes. Again, rinse, and then dry your hair with a towel. Papaya contains micronutrients that are used in many anti-dandruff shampoos. The big difference between expensive shampoos and papaya is that papaya is much cheaper. So why not take advantage of this? But papaya can also be used for these things. 1. For the garden. The papaya avoids the appearance of fungi and ethylene, the two worst enemies of plants. Therefore, medicine can work wonders in your garden. Grind some papaya tablets, mix them with water and introduce the combination into an atomizer. If you spray your plants with this mixture regularly, you will not have any problems with mushrooms and ethylene. 2. Skin problems.